For years, the divorce rate has been especially high for the baby boomer generation. As that demographic ages, elder care is growing more and more complicated because of the increased complexity of those families. Amy Zeitlow is an affiliate scholar with the Institute for American Values and co-author of the book Homeward Bound: Modern Families, Elder Care, and Loss, which examines the intersection of modern families and elder care. Zeitlow said her research shows divorce is altering the traditional roles family members play in elder care and estate planning matters.
Our biggest lesson we learned about estate planning for parents, especially baby boomer parents who are divorced, is that the role of the ex-spouse is changing. And that much of what happens in wills and estates, as you're putting together your inheritance plan, often assumes that you would not want to include your ex-spouse in those plans. And that may be changing. We were, in part, surprised to see that when a mom or a dad who becomes seriously ill or needs to have care, hands-on care, day to day, an ex-spouse often re-enters the picture at that time, in part because it's also their daughter and son who's now having to take on that responsibility. That parent may have to move in with their daughter or son, and so they step up to the plate to help their children.
Depending on the circumstances, divorce can also breed conflict when families attempt to sort through elder care issues. Zeitlow recommends thinking ahead and being clear about intentions to avoid these kinds of confrontations.
The biggest thing that families can do to minimize conflict during a caretaking episode, or especially at end of life, or if death happens, is to plan ahead. Make sure that you talk with your family or with your friends, or I'm also a pastor, so speak to your clergy member or in your faith community, and make sure that you have in place three things. One, who do you want to make financial decisions for you if you can't make those decisions yourself? Two, who would you want to make medical decisions for you? Healthcare decisions if you can't make those for yourself. That can be the same person, but it may be two different people. And then lastly, when they make those financial decisions or they make medical decisions for you, what are those decisions? And what are the stories and the reasons behind why you would want them to make a certain decision about CPR or discontinuing life support, or entering hospice?
For more articles on how divorce can affect elder care issues, visit dadsdivorce.com. That'll do it for another episode. I'm Sean Garrison, editor of dadsdivorce.com. Thank you for watching.